Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today we are solving the chapter limits from the Black Book. We are on page number 30 and question number 2 of limits. This is a single choice question. So before solving this question, you need to understand that it is a limits question. Okay, so you need to know a few formulae. First of all, the formula is limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x and limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x both are equal to 1. There are two more formulae. If limit x tends to 0 sin inverse x upon x is equal to 1, limit x tends to 0 tan inverse x upon x is also equal to 1. These four formulae you need to understand, then only you will be able to solve this question. Okay, so moving ahead, let us see this question. This question has in the numerator sin x minus tan x the whole square minus 1 minus cos 2x the whole raised to 4 plus x raised to 5, and then in the denominator 7 tan inverse x the whole raised to 7, sin inverse x the whole raised to 6 and 3 sin raised to 5x. In solving such questions, you need to understand that in the denominator choose the minimum power which will give you 0. So the minimum power which is giving you 0 is sin raised to 5x. So first of all, divide numerator and denominator both by x raised to 5, because the minimum power that is giving you 0 is raised to 5. So the question will change to sin x minus tan x the whole square minus 1 minus cos 2x the whole raised to 4 x raised to 5 divide by every term x raised to 5, and in the denominator this will be 7 tan inverse x the whole raised to 7 upon x raised to 5 sin inverse x the whole raised to 6 upon x raised to 5 plus 3 sin raised to 5x upon x raised to 5. Okay, now over here tan inverse x the whole raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 will give us 1, tan inverse x the whole square will remain. Okay, so over here this will be turned to 7 tan inverse x the whole square. I am only writing down the denominator, okay, because tan inverse x the whole raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 is 1. Over here also sin inverse x will remain, because sin inverse x the whole raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 will give you 1, and over here the denominator will turn to directly 1 raised to 5. Okay, now just put down the value of x as 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0, so this will be 7 into 0 0. Sin inverse 0 is 0, so this will be also 0, and 3 into 1 is 3. So your denominator limit is 3. So our main work of turning the denominator to a number other than 0 is done. Our denominator is 3. Now we need to concentrate on the numerator. In the numerator, let us solve the limit. So L is equal to limit x tends to 0 sin x minus tan x the whole square minus 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x double angle formula the whole raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 upon 3x raised to 5. The denominator limit 3 is directly written with x raised to 5. Okay, let us simplify it further. This will be equal to sin x minus sin x upon cos x the whole raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16, and this will be equal to sin raised to 8x plus x raised to 5 upon 3x raised to 5. A little bit of solving in the numerator will give you sin square x as common, and then it will be 1 cos x minus 1 upon cos square x, and over here square, and minus 16 sin raised to 8x plus x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 5. Okay, now let us provide x raised to 5 everywhere. So this will turn into limit x tends to 0 sin square x. Now cos x minus 1 can also be written as cos x minus 1 can also be written as 1 minus cos x the whole square, because it is square, so we can write down that. So 1 minus cos x the whole square will be equal to 2 sin square x by 2 the whole square. Okay, so let us write down that as 2 sin square x by 2 the whole square upon cos x and x raised to 5. Let us go back and check whether it is right. What we have done is sin square x, then 2 sin square x by 2 the whole square, and cos square x and x raised to 5, then minus 16 sin raised to 8x upon x raised to 5. So it will be minus 16 sin raised to 8x upon x raised to 5 plus x raised to 5 upon x raised to 5. Okay, and there was everywhere 3 because the denominator was 3x raised to 5. Let us check. See, the denominator is 3x raised to 5. Let me explain that once again. Sin x taken common, cos x minus 1 the whole square upon cos square x, and then minus 16 sin raised to 8x plus x raised to 5. Okay, then cos x minus 1 can also be written as 1 minus cos x the whole square, which is 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, then this will turn into what? So this will be limit x tends to 0 sin square x and 4 sin raised to 4 x by 2 upon 3 cos square x and x raised to 5, and this will be sin raised to 5x upon x raised to 5 will be 1, 16 upon 3 into sin cube x, and this will be x raised to 5 cancelled 1 by 3 because x is not equal to 0. Now over in the numerator the power of sin is somewhat 6 and in the denominator is x raised to 5. So no matter how much you solve, one sign will remain in the numerator and that will get cancelled because it will be 0. Because 6 signs are there, one sign is going to remain, and cos square x is cos square 0, which is 1. So x raised to 5 will get cancelled with 5 powers of sign and only 1 power of sign will remain, which will give us 0 because sin 0 is 0. Again here 3 powers of sign will give us 0, and then what remains is 1 by 3. So the answer to this question is 1 by 3, which is our option D. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Do not forget to like this video, comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.